अब हम पूछेंगे क्वेश्चन आंसर एंड देखते किस किस को लर्न है या नहीं। सबसे पहले संजना आ जाओ। What is the central idea of the ball poem? The central idea of the poem. The central idea of the poem is the sense of loss in life. Loss is the fact of life. The sooner man learn to tolerate it, the better it is. The better it is. When we lose something for the first time, when we lose something for the first time, when we feel very sad. The letter, the letter when, the letter when we learn to live. The letter when we learn to live. The we learn to live with it. The poet, the boy lost the first time. The boy lost his ball for the first time. He was very sad. He was very sad. He was very sad. Boy can buy him another ball, but he did not want to do so. बोल दिया। He does. He does not want to do. He does not want to do. The poet. He because poet want to do must learn the better. It that tried that tried it. मुझे लिख लेती हूँ कंफ्यूज हो गई। वापस रिपीट बोल दो। बेटर ट्रूथ उधर देखो ही मत कुछ याद। The central idea of the poem is the sense of loss in life. Loss is a fact of life. The sooner man learn to tolerate it, the better it is when to lose something for the first time. First time when we lose something for the first time. When we learn, we feel very sad. We feel very sad. उसके बाद था the latter learn to live live on the with our loss उसके बाद था मुझे आप लोग बोलना our loss the poet इसका पहले बार loss हुआ था the poet in this poem the poet the boy the in this poet the boy lost the poem the boy lost the boy's loss is he is very sad उसके बाद the poet can buy him another ball के आगे but he did not want to do it must learn to better because he want and try to it anyone can suffering the loss is something नेक्स्ट वन वर्षा आ जाओ जल्दी आओ वर्षा तू नहीं सुना पाओगी वो गलत सुनाओ स्पेलिंग बोलो लेकिन सुनाना है लिखना नहीं है लिखना तो स्कूल में जाके लिख देना यहाँ 2 दिन 3 दिन में तो लिख ही रहे तुम लोग आओ जल्दी चलो ये सारे क्वेश्चन लिखो पेज पे जल्दी लिखो तुम चंदा कुछ लर्न है क्या लर्न है आ जाओ जल्दी आओ मिसेस पंपरी लंच और क्या क्या याद है और याद है नजर मिलेगा चलो इसको सब Why did Lancho write a letter to God? Who received the letter and what did he do? Lancho was a hardworking farmer. Lancho was a hardworking farmer. He was expecting a good harvest, but unfortunately, a hailstorm came and destroyed his crop completely. Now he had nothing to support his family. He had no money to purchase the seed by sowings, but he found faith in God. He believed that God would help him. Lancho was a simple man, so he brought a letter to God. So he decided brought a letter to God. Letter to God. He write a letter. He write a letter and he write a letter and go to the town. Post his letter. A postman collect his letter and read the letter and a good laugh, and if he, then become read and become seriously. He decided help to postmaster did not appreciate Lanchu facing God. That's why he decided to reply the Lanchu letter. So, starting our video. Next, शिखा आ जाओ जल्दी जल्दी पास एनी 3 क्वेश्चन फास्ट फास्ट आज करना देखने रिप्लाई कर पाती हूँ हाँ कुछ भी पूरे क्वेश्चन कुछ भी पूछ सकती हूँ Write a character sketch of Mrs. Pumphrey. Mrs. Pumphrey was a wealthy lady. She was loving her dog Tricky. She pampered and overfed him. She gave him lots of nutrition food, but she gave him lots of nutrition food. Tricky was very greedy. He never refused food. This made him usually fat and lazy. Mrs. Pumphrey was very much worried about Ricky. She thought that he was suffering from malnutrition. So she gave him lots of energetic food. She almost went when Mr. Harriot told her that Ricky must be hospitalized for a fortnight. She thought that Ricky must be die if he did not see his mistress even a single day. Even a single day. Um, Even a single day, Mr. Harriot took the Tricky with in his surgery, where he did not give him any food but a plenty of water, where he gave him a lot of exercise. After end of 2 days, Tricky taking some interest around the other animals. Now he was completely cured. Mrs. Pumphrey was very happy to see the Tricky that he was cured. Describe Griffin's adventures in a London store. Griffin set fire to his landlord's house. Then he took some drugs and became invisible. But he had to remove his clothes. It was the middle of winter. The air was very cold. He reached in a London store. Before the closing time, he entered in the store. After some time, the store was closed. Now he was free. He can do anything. He bought some clothes. He was feeling hungry. He went into the kitchen and ate some cold meat and drank coffee. Then he lay on a pile of kills. In the next morning, he did not get up in time. The shop assistant reached. They found that Griffin lie on a kills. He woke up and tried to run away. The servant ran after him. He removed his clothes one by one. Now he became invisible once again. Thus, he was able to save himself. सोनू नहीं जल्दी आओ घबराना ही नहीं कोई भी मुझे देख के बता देना इधर आ जाओ अगर खराब होगा तो हम खुद कट कर देंगे आ जाओ सोनू आ जाओ सोनू जल्दी आ जाओ डरना किस बात का जब तुम्हें यहाँ डर लग रहा है तो जो फाइनल में तो तुम और डरोगे इसलिए कह रहे हो आओ जल्दी आओ सोनू जल्दी फास्ट सुन देखो टाइम वेस्ट हो जल्दी आओ फिर जल्दी छुट्टी भी करना है जल्दी आओ सोनू जल्दी आओ तुम यहाँ सुनाओ मुझे सुनाओ वरना मुझे लगेगा तुमने चीटिंग किया है मुझे लगेगा तुमने चीटिंग किया देख लो तुम यहाँ आओ यहाँ
व्हाट हैपेंड? हाँ, एक तो सुनाते नहीं, ऊपर से बतिया लो। वाओ, यस यू। जल्दी आओ सोनू, फास्ट। खड़े हो, क्या दिक्कत? ओके, सारे याद अच्छे से। क्वेश्चन आंसर। How does Nelson Mandela describe the sense of the inauguration?
Nelson Mandela said that inauguration took place on 10th May. The day was bright and clear. A gathering of international leaders had assembled in Pretoria to mark the, the end of white supremacy. The ceremony took place in a big open building in Pretoria. When the when the ceremony began, then Mr. declared was sworn in as second deputy president. Then Mr. Dambumbuki Tambo Mumbuki was sworn in as first deputy president. That it was Nelson Mandela's turn. Then he lay on file. Then he huh? He was sworn in as president of South Africa. He played अरे यार, he pledged to obey and uphold the constitution. He dedicated himself to the well-being of his people. After the ceremony, there was a spectacular show by jets, defense, and police force. The show by symbolized he become invisible. नहीं, अरे वो हाँ, the military's loyalty to democracy.
आ जाओ शिवम, जल्दी आओ। शिवम जल्दी आओ, तुम्हारे टाइम में कंप्लेन कर दूंगी। दीदी 2 बार कह रहा, देखो इसको इतना डर लग रहा सुनाने में। किनसे? सबसे सुनूंगी ना तुम्हारा। शिवम अगर यहाँ सुना दोगे तो मुझे लगेगा तुम कल चीटिंग नहीं करोगे। मैं नहीं मानती कल शिवम चीटिंग करने वाला है। मुझे बोला ना कल शिवम चीटिंग करेगा, बिकॉज जब ये यहाँ नहीं सुना सकता तो वो वहां से क्या सुनाएगा? यस यस, यहाँ सुनाने में क्या दिक्कत है? वहीं से बैठ के सुना सकते हो। कोई बात नहीं, आज से इसे कोई भी क्वेश्चन आंसर नहीं बताया जाएगा एंड आज से कोई रिस्पॉन्स नहीं। क्वेश्चन पूछने भी आएगा तो मैं रिस्पॉन्स नहीं करूंगी। जैसे ये आज मेरे से बिहेव कर रहा सेम लाइक मैं भी इसके साथ करने वाली। नेक्स्ट आ जाओ, नेक्स्ट। हाँ त्रिजा जल्दी आओ। चिंटू के साथ भी सेम करना है। सब याद है? सब कुछ अच्छे से?
Write a character sketch. Start. Write a character sketch of Mrs. Pumphrey.
Mrs. Pumphrey was a very wealthy lady. He was very loving to her. She was very
Describe Griffin adventures in a London store.
Griffin set fire to his landlord house. Then took drug and become invisible. But he had removing his cloth. It was middle of winter. The air was so very cold. He reached our London store after 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 closing the before the closing time before the closing time he entered our store. After some time the store was closed. Now he was free. Now he was free. Now he was free. He took He broke open box and wrapper. He took some cloth and wore them. He feeling was hungry. He want go in kitchen. He ate cold meat cold meat and drunk coffee. They lay on pile of lights. Next morning he did not get up in time. He reached a shop assistant. He found Griffin sleeping on clides. Or he wake up and tired run away. The servant after run after him or run after him run after him.
Griffin.
Griffin into took his cloth one by one, become invisible once again. Thus it was able save himself.
जब त्रिशा कर सकती है तो हर कोई कर सकता है क्योंकि ये ट्राई कर रही है। बाकी तो वो सोनाली से तो मेरा दिल उब चुका है। आ जाओ शिवानी, जल्दी आओ हम जल्दी। कोई मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन पूछो, आ जाओ जल्दी आओ शिवानी। अब आधे घंटे आएगी तब वो सब। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पूछो। नो पैराग्राफ क्वेश्चन पूछो। What are the powerful? टाइम वेस्ट कर रही है यार। दूसरा क्वेश्चन पूछो। पेपर है मोर क्वेश्चन वाला क्वेश्चन। एनी प्राइस क्वेश्चन है। How Annie describe paper has more pages than people? So now summary of Tiger and the Zoo. मुझे सुनाओ, मुझे देखा सुनाओ नो ये लंच फिर सुनाने की बात है। सुनाओ क्या क्या सुनाओ, मैं हूँ बताओ। पेपर आज मोस्ट चलो सुनाओ चलो। इधर मत देखो, मुझे देखो सुनाओ मैं तुम्हें।
Elephant felt lonely in the world.
सुनाओ
Elephant felt lonely in the world. He had loving parents, so an elder sister and a common friend, but she was not intimate with anyone. But she could talk to him com- about common about common everyday matter. But she took express her feeling on them. She was patient listener ev- with ev- with with sympathetic heart. But she found people no more patience to learn to her. But she believed but she believed believe believe express her feeling with her to anyone. Any frank lighten burden of ideas her heart. So he decided maintain a diary. The diary does not human being. If he had lot of them, man one thought freely. The diary does not the diary cat bore does not bore the does not bore. It's our true friend. It never reject offer of friendship. Offer of friendship. Any frank say that paper has more patience than people.
Yes, clapping. Next, आ जाओ. जल्दी आओ, जल्दी आओ. पूरा देख. जल्दी आओ, टाइम वेस्ट हो रहा है. अब यही सब पूछताछ क्या जाए. जल्दी आ. आ जल्दी.
Why did Lancho write a letter to God who received the letter, and what did he do?
बेटा अगर यहाँ से कुछ सुनाएंगे ना मार तो घर जल्दी बेटा बगल में ही है.
This is the
सुना जल्दी.
movie.
इधर भी करो सुना सुना सुना. चुप हो जाओ सारे. सुना. इतना इसी वजह से तुझे आ रहा है. मैं ऐसे डाल रहा था एक घंटे में कुछ नहीं कर रहा था. मम्मी को बुलाओ. सुना जल्दी मम्मी को बुलाती हूँ. मैं भी सुधी को बुलाती हूँ मम्मी को. सुना जल्दी.
Lancho was a hard.
क्या की बताओ. मुझे संजना सुनाती सोचो. त्रिशा ने भी सुनाया था. सुनाओ. सुनाओ. लंचू. सुनाओ सुनाओ.
Lancho was a hard-working farmer. He was
He was expecting good harvest.
he was expecting a good harvest, but unfortunately a hailstorm come and destroy his crop completely. He was very sad. He was very sad, but he had faith in God. He wrote a letter to God. He he write the he believed that God would help him. He write a letter to give him 100 pesos. To ask him 100 pesos. He asked to God him send to 100 pesos because he buy a sow a seed for next harvest. He went to town and post the letter. The postman found the letter. He would laugh and so the postmaster. The postmaster was a very impressed in faith in God. Nancho faith in God. Nancho faith in he decided he did not want to shake of that faith. That is, he decided to help.
नेक्स्ट अंजनी आ जाओ. यस कम ऑन फास्ट. मैं तो कुछ भी कट नहीं करने वाली, मतलब ऐसे ही पोस्ट करने वाली. यस, चाहे बोरिंग हो जाए लेकिन मैं पोस्ट ऐसे ही करने वाली हूँ. यस, ताकि मुस्कान को रस को मिला जाए. ब्लड ब्लड डोनेशन ये रिकॉर्ड कर रिकॉर्ड कर. हाँ, कल 10 क्वेश्चन पूछे थे पहले. याद नहीं है? बताओ, मुझे याद नहीं है. मुझे क्वेश्चन तो पूछ सकते हैं. क्वेश्चन लिख सकते हैं. ट्राई करना, हम इसको फोर्स नहीं कर रहे. लेकिन मैंने क्या आंसर अभी. What are power food? The food which contain lot of nutrition, fiber, potassium are called power food. What is the advantages of include onion and garlic in our diet? Onion and garlic is rich in iron and carbohydrate, so it should be included in our food. Suggest a quick recipe with chickpea and onion. Chickpea salad. Yes, sprouted also. Why is yogurt and banana and enriching power food? Yogurt and banana are balanced. Yogurt and banana gives balanced nutrition and it help our digestive system. It support our digestive system. Why is green tea recommended power food? Green tea include caffeine which help in focus anything. No. Why lemon juice add in green tea? ये वाला क्वेश्चन था. दीदी, why is green tea? क्यों वाला याद नहीं? और दीदी ऑप्शन. How does Nelson Mandela describe the sense of inauguration? Nelson Mandela says that the inauguration took place on 10th May. The day was bright and clear. The day was bright and clear. A huge gathering of international leaders was gathered to mark the end of white supremacy. The ceremony took place in big open building of Pretoria. In Pretoria, when the ceremony started, Mr. D. Clerk served as second deputy president. Then Mr. Thabo Mbeki took turn as first deputy president. Then it was turn of Nelson Mandela. They served as first deputy president of South Africa. He placed two.
He pledged to obey and uphold Constitution. He pledged to obey and uphold the Constitution. And after the ceremony, there was a spectacular show by jets, police force, and military. This show symbolized the loyalty of them to democracy.
तुमने कुछ सुनाया अभी तक? सुनाया था अंजलि ने? ओके, सोफिया आ जाओ, जल्दी आओ सोफिया। इसके बाद मयंक का टर्न है।
What is the central idea of the poem, The Ball Poem? The central idea of the sense of loss in life. Loss is a fact of life. The sooner man learns to tolerate it, the better it is. In this poem, the boy, when we lost something for the first time, we feel very sad. But later we learn to live with our loss. In this poem, the boy his ball